So this is a lesson 4 in rates and ratios, and it's about scale drawings. Now scale drawings are exactly the same shape as an original object, it's just a different size. When we write a scale, it's normally in terms of a ratio. So this is an application of ratios. Now, this is the important ratio. Whenever you see a scale ratio, it's read like this. The drawing length comes first and the actual or real length comes second. Okay, so remember that. Drawing first, actual second. Okay, that occurs with any sort of map or diagram that you see in any book or anywhere. Okay, drawing length first to actual length. In most cases, the scale ratio begins with a 1. The reason it begins with a 1, it just makes it easier to read the ratio. So for example, a scale ratio of 1 to 100 means that the actual length, which is this one here, is 100 times bigger than the measured length or the drawing length. Okay, 1 to 100 means 100 times bigger. The reverse of that is if we had this scale here, 20 to 1, that would mean that the drawing is 20 times bigger than the actual length. Okay, 20 to 1. Remember, drawing on the left hand side, actual on the right hand side. And as I said, yes, it's always helpful to write the scale with a 1 in it, because that makes it easier to work out the questions. Now, when we're converting distance, you just need to remember this particular chart or table or diagram. Okay, if you're going from the scale distance or the measured distance to the actual, you are going to multiply. Okay, scale to actual, multiply, and if you're going from the actual back to the scale, then you're going to divide. If you remember that, you're not going to have too many problems with this particular worksheet. And finally, I've just thrown in some conversion of units, because I know some of you are weak on those, and this will help you with some of the questions because you'll need to convert units in some of the questions. Right, let's try some examples.